DataPower documents can be found everywhere. They're financial statements, sales quotes, invoices and receipts, government forms, status and performance reports, inspection reports, and more. Windward makes a software that allows business users and developers to create and automate DataPower documents. Windward's Report Designer is a powerful add-in for Microsoft applications on the Windows platform. Report Designer gives you the ability to easily connect your templates to a wide variety of data sources, and you'll still have all the familiar features and flexibility of Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Happy designer, happy developer, money in the bank. You'll save countless hours of design and development time while generating pixel-perfect documents for your customers, teammates, and stakeholders. Windward's report engine makes integration with your existing application a snap. Just drop a single block of code into your Java or .NET application or make a call through our RESTful APIs, and you've added the best-in-class reporting and document generation capabilities to your application. Add best-in-class reporting and document generation to your application. Offload template production tasks from your IT developers. Give your designers freeform design control. Generate high-performance, scalable output, and save time designing and editing your reports. Download your free trial and you'll be making DataPower documents in no time.